Okay.
Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp with your chatbot. Okay, so first step is to click here, create an app on Facebook. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and then select business and then press next. Okay, and an app name. So let's say we could just call this future AI. Okay, which is the name of this thing.
Put
And then business account.
wait, bro.
Oh, what? Okay, yeah.
Put like yes,
Okay.
like this.
Then the business account. Choose the business account.
Choose this one.
Okay, then press create app. Okay. Then we go back to the OmniConvo AI. Then we follow the steps.
Okay.
Okay, press next. Okay. So business option done. Okay, enter the app name. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, click on WhatsApp. Setup. Okay. 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 Then go back to the OmniConvo. Follow the steps. Okay, so follow here you can select, click on the left side, quick. I think it's getting started. Quick start. Okay, click quick start.
Quick start.
Yeah, correct. Okay, then go back to the OmniConvo AI, follow the steps. Create a business. Wait. You created a business thing already. Create a business account.
Business account. This
Yeah.
one have already.
Okay, so normally you have to create lah, but since you already have, so we can skip that step. Okay. Then next.
I think it should be this one. Yeah, this one.
Okay, configure
app.
Okay. Then go back to the tutorial. API setup.
Should be this one.
API setup.
API setup. Okay.
Okay. Then you go back.
Add phone number.
Add phone number. Okay, add phone number. Okay. You choose. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Press next.
So this one have to use another new phone number, is it?
Okay, you try yours first.
Okay.
Oh, you have another phone number? Oh, I have. I got another phone number. Yeah.
Let's try this.
Okay, you try yours first. If not, you can use my +60. Okay, +601137095269. Okay, I sent you the chat already.
826.
Huh? Sorry?
Plus 60113709
This is
826.
no. 095269. No, wait. 095269.
095269.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we send to verify, enter the if this. Okay. 521471.
21471.
Next. Okay, good. Next, Okay. Now we go back to OmniConvo AI.
OmniConvo AI.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. So now we paste the phone number.
The phone number.
Okay, this is the phone number. Okay, this is the phone number ID. Okay. And then the phone number is +6011370370 95269.
95269.
Yeah. +601137095269. Yeah, correct. Next.
Okay.
Then the WhatsApp business icon ID. Okay, good. Next. temporary access token, okay.
access token.
From the APIs, okay. Copy. Next.
Click.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, done.
API setup. Okay, done. Press next. Next. Okay. This one. Click settings and basic tab. Okay. Click the settings, app settings, and then go to basic. Okay. Okay.
Copy app
Copy
ID.
app ID. Okay.
Here.
You copy.
ID.
App secret. Show.
Okay, app secret. Click WhatsApp and configuration tab. WhatsApp configuration.
Okay.
Next, open edit webhook configuration. I think I missed up this part.
Okay. Click on edit.
Edit. Call back URL verified token.
Okay, wait. This part very important. Okay. So copy this is the callback URL. Yeah, you must copy this. Yeah. Then the verify token. Copy properly. There's a space in front of your one. Okay.
Verify and
okay, then press verify and save.
Verify and save.
Bro, relax. Take it one step at a time. Because people watch this. Okay.
Okay.
Slowly,
Sure.
slowly. Okay.
Okay. Click manage in webhook field area.
You must understand Zoom also got lag time, Okay. Click what? Okay, go back to the OmniConvo AI guide.
Click manage in webhook field area. Yeah, I pressed it already just now.
Okay, click on okay, then
next.
Okay.
Subscribe message and click done.
Click on message. Okay, subscribe. Messages. Click subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay.
And then
is there anything else you must click other than messages? Okay.
Subscribe message
that's all.
click
Okay.
done.
Okay, then press next.
Done.
Okay, then press next on the OmniConvo AI. Okay, good. Now press save details.
Save detail.
Okay. Now you go back to the let's test it out. You go back to the thing.
Which one?
Go back to the Facebook, that one. This one, wait. Okay. The other one.
The other one?
Yeah, the other one.
Which one? This one?
Okay, okay. This one. Okay. So 2, then put 8786. Put 2, then put +65. I send it to me lah. I test it. You see the 2 from? Can you see?
2.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Then put +65, 8786. My own number lah.
Okay.
Yeah. 8786 1319.
8786
It works, bro. It works. I tried already. It works. Go to WhatsApp. Then you message this number +60133709.
Oh, I have to save the number first. Hang on, yeah. Let me save the number.
It works. It works on my WhatsApp. It works on my WhatsApp.
Okay.
Who are you? Yeah, it works.
269.
So just follow the steps. It works. I'm Inja. Nice to meet you. It works. Okay. So So once your whole chatbot is done successfully, it will look something like that. Let's say we say, hi, I'm Angel, an assistant of Future AI. 你可以做什么, whatever, and then you say like the AI feature and all that all can come out, okay? And this is exactly how you integrate WhatsApp with your OmniConvo AI bot, okay? It's not easy. The difficulty level for this is about 5 out of 5, okay? Harder than Facebook, harder than Telegram, etc., okay? But if you manage to successfully do it, congratulations, good job. If you cannot, make sure you just re-watch this video again and again, and then it will give you the steps on what to do. Okay, so I hope this tutorial is valuable to you, and I look forward to seeing the kind of WhatsApp chatbots you'll be creating.